How to fix camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and the very problem like camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat is shown on your very mobile device and you're quite frustrated by it, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this what you can do is first of all you can tap on the Snapchat application like this, and after you tap on the Snapchat application like this, now you have to go to your profile like section on the top. After tapping on the profile like section on the top, now you have to go to the settings option. After tapping on the settings option, now you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to just scroll down until you find the very option of the various kind of pictures galleries on there. If you do not find it within, now what you can do is you can go to the next option as well. You can go back and then go to the gallery like option on your mobile device in the memories, and then go to the option of camera roll there. And then here when you see if your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat, now what you have to do is you have to tap all of those and you can just go to the option of backing it up on your Snapchat. Otherwise what you can also do is you can just tap on it for a while and then go to the I like option there. After tapping on the I like option, now you have to just scroll down, go to the option of app details in store, and after tapping in the option of app details in store, now you can see that interface like this will open. If you see the option of update out there, you can update your very application and your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.